Welcome to Learning with KG, and remember, this is a channel where we talk about business, design thinking, and anything and everything business. So today I want to use two analogies to explain why environmental scanning is important in business, and not just in business, even at personal level. Now, we all know a farmer, or probably you've been one. I do small scale farming, and a good farmer, let me say so, a good farmer would be keen on weather conditions, so to speak. They would be interested to know what amount of rain are we expecting, say, this year. A good farmer will keep tab of the pH level of their soil. And we may ask, why do they need to do this? Why do they need to do this? Now, if you're a good farmer, you are concerned with the maximum output that you can get from your farm. And for you to be able to do that, it basically means that the pH level, the weather conditions, the topology, and so many other environmental factors must be conducive for you to get that maximum or that bumper harvest, failure to which you end up in loss. So a farmer is interested in rain, is interested in pH to be able to plan their farming activity, so that if, for instance, the pH level is low, they know they need to buy more additives or more chemicals or fertilizers. Or if the rain is not going to be enough, they clearly know they need to plan for irrigation if they are to get the output that they need. So it is the same thing for organization, that if you want to get to your desired destination, which we talked about in an earlier video, or if you want to get the best output in terms of performance, then it is very important and very critical for you to understand the surrounding environment. You need to scan the environment. An environment has several components. We have socio-cultural, we have economical, we have political, we have regulatory, we have the global. So all these components, you need to understand them, so that your strategy is aligned to the changes in those environments. Because if you're not understanding the changes that are happening within this component of environment, then your strategy will be misaligned. Just like a farmer who plant a lot and they had not thought about the rain level or the rainfall level, and it happened to be dry, they will be caught unaware. So business manager, organization must constantly scan the environment to understand, what do we need to be able to get there. Remember, we talked about a desired future. So for you to be able to move toward your desired future, you need to keep checking what changes are happening within the environment, and therefore how do you need to align your strategy to those changes. And you normally say this, that a good organization is the one that keep tab of these changes, so that they can actually change their strategy. They can align their strategy way before the change happen. For instance, when you talk about the socio-cultural component of environment, we have so many things that our society are adopting, and in terms of trends. How, as a business, can you take advantage of this? That is very important. And for organization, you must and you cannot ignore such changes. And therefore, I hope that managers will take hint from a good farmer. The second analogy that I want to use, very simple one, I normally use this in my classes, is that when you're stepping out in the morning, most likely even if you had determined what to wear previous night, it is possible that you'll scan and see how is the weather looking like. Because if it happened that it is raining or drizzly and you had decided to wear just a t-shirt, most likely you'll put on a jacket or a hood or something else to cover yourself. It is the same thing for businesses, that scanning environment help you to put the best clothes to fight or to get you through the day. And I hope that this has helped you to break down why environmental scanning is important for business and even for us as individual per se.